This is part 3 of 8 short videos in the Getting Started with Primescan 2 series. In this video, we will talk about cloud-native intraoral scanning.
Now, let's continue with the cloud-native part. As you know, your scanner, Primescan 2, is the first cloud-native intraoral scanning solution. It captures scan directly on the PS Core platform, giving you the flexibility to scan on any device connected to Internet View. Let's quickly talk about what is happening in the background when you scan. Primescan 2 directly connects to the cloud via your practice Wi-Fi. It does not connect to the device in your practice, such as a laptop, like other wireless scanners. The scan workflow and all the computing power, the graphics, etc., that are needed to operate your scanner run on the cloud. This is why the device in your practice does not need to be a powerful computer, because DS-Core gives you access to the power of the cloud.
That wraps up our look at the cloud-native intraoral scanning. Let's continue with the next video to explore the wide range of treatments that Primescan 2 supports.